no money, man, I'm man. I'm going to tell you something, say, I'm not a normal man, you know. When me born, my mother knows me going to be a man, so she call me Desmond. You see, me start grow up in life, the way me ugly as a man, them call me ugly man, so Desmond and ugly man are two that in a one. You see, when me busting at the music business, call me Ninja Man, 3 man is a stout, and me better than Dragon, me are the original front teeth, gold teeth, Dan Dragon. Me a man, you know, yeah. Me no chat.
The Bop is on our set for the first time anywhere in the world. Gully Bop and Ninja Man together on television. Only on stage, right, sir?
Yes, he is.
Am I correct, Gully?
Only on stage.
Only on stage can do this. All right, sir. Well, gentlemen, we appreciate this. And we didn't know it was going to happen. Gully was booked to do an interview. Ninja Man was booked to do an interview on the same show. And today they are together showing unity. So Ninja is not only talking unity, he's doing unity right now in dancehall. I commend you, sir. Yeah, and I appreciate the fact that you're allowed to come on and the two you can talk now. So
appreciate love.
This now.
Mm-hmm. No hate.
88, yeah. 89, 90. Did you know that 99% of the DJ them boss a Ninja Man name then call?
Yes.
Man call my name till man want walk like me, want talk like me. Everything in the industry is like me. You know it's Buju Banton stop them from calling my name. So if 2014 and 15 and next artist call my name for it somewhere in life, why should I be offended? Me I
well,
feel like the man when
Gully, you did say that. You said, why you have to call a name? I know bigger name than Ninja, didn't you?
Of course, no name no bigger than Ninja. Right now, when I get my boss, I never see nobody for kill. The only name I could have called are the biggest thing in the world, Ninja Man. And if I call Ninja Man, the man say, oh, I want your sting. And then I come out, Jesus Christ, them time, no, carry gone.
But
if him they come out, what happen? What if him they walk out?
What if they walk out?
Hey.
Because he wouldn't walk out.
That's why you call him name, because you know he wouldn't walk out. Because you know Ninja Man versus Gully Bop is an easy win. Anything Ninja Man clash with him kill. From Supercats to Shabba Ranks. Yo, just them 2 names alone. That's what you need.
That's
all you need.
I'm going to take off my glasses because we see it.
The fuck is that, you know?
Let me take off mine too. Okay, so, okay.
But it now. When you look on life, man, and see, this man is a man where a long time in the music. And no matter where you see a man I come from, you are no God. A God put Gully Bop in there. Gully Bop get him blessing because of the art where him have.
Yes.
Me I use them in a chat because me I look friend from people because me not afraid of no DJ, me not afraid of nobody. Because when it come to lyrics, me mad, me not have no sense. And when it come to wartime, me is a total psychopath. You understand?
No matter know your friend.
So, I know, like
so
say,
a good art, man. Good
youth is a youth with good art, and God knows that if him help him to reach somewhere in life, he will help others to live.
Gully, you knew Ninja from back when. Talk about those early years when you were on the street, dancehall artist. You knew Ninja from then. How did you rate him then? What was the relationship like?
All right. Fuck off this now. Me the King Western, or Gypsy.
Yes.
You know, ugly man, I run off the whole of St. Mary. Nobody can clash Ninja Man. Now you St. Mary. Then time the Ninja Man name
ugly Man is another name for Ninja.
Yeah.
That is his name there.
Yes. Then time the name lock is wrong and him bad.
Yes.
So whenever I go dance on Akilan and I cast stand in them place and hear him, I not touch my king, I just stand up and watch him.
You're afraid?
No, I'm not afraid. To them say I'm the baddest, I watch him and I listen.
Yes.
So when I come home the next morning now, you everybody up at King Western, oh, ugly man bad, no artist no bad on him. But I not enter no plea in the argument, you know. I talk to myself, I say, bad on, I have a hole in me, see? Shake him out. Talk me always having on my mind, you know. Yeah.
Okay.
But little after that, after the ugly man now, me and this DJ named Ninja Man, you know, hear this? And the man bad.
Phenomenal one.
Yeah.
And I see ugly man.
We used to go Scotland one night, and say me, I have to go see your own name. Ninja man. I'm going to see him, man.
I see ugly man turn ninja now.
I see me change my name from Larky to Country man.
Oh, can you a Larky then?
Yeah. Larky with the name, and to name Ninja man now, me say, my name Country man. Because then time now when he name Ninja man, you know. Him after bus I get big, you know, because the artist show them on TV is Ninja. And him a ninja man and we are saying, oh, ninja the baddest karate star, so him bad.
Yeah.
Him beat up every artist.
And in your eyes, the only artist you see out there who we have to rival was him. And him and the man you watch.
Him and the baddest and him want clash.
Yeah.
But you want, no. If you say you want to clash, you have to see serious about it.
Yeah, so why you never clash him? You never see him them time,
You have to take
ninja?
it with you.
Yes.
Let me tell you why I couldn't clash ninja man. So I go to bush, I go catch crab. Him there the mouth of the hole, and see this. So you know, say, that's a normal man to catch. So
ninja, why you so slippery?
Hold on. Let me ask you something. Which DJ in the history of Jamaica can make me run?
Gully up.
To what? To what?
None.
To what?
Because you say it from your mouth. It's like you can kill an ninja.
Gully Bob, let me tell you something. You see, you me richer than competition, and me comfortable more than foolishness. That's why the only reason why you get to chat up your beak like when Fowler pick up can and get away without pick up two in your head. Because me, I know one play killer. If you want to see me war now, the only way you can get me war up on a stage now. The 4 artists where me want war. Because when me a war, me gain out a war. Me no go a war where people are going to say, that no make no sense. Me go a war when me a go a war, people say this name war. And when me step out, people are dead. Let me tell you this. Any stage you walk out pan and me look pan you and say, Gully back, talk 10 tune, I wanna kill you. And not even half of your head about in a 2, you know. Because anytime you put it on, and no Gucci and no Louis Vuitton. This is what make your body full of corn. I make your paper one a Roger Clark on. And that's one anytime you put it on. And no Clarks and no Louis Vuitton. This is what make your witch you never born. And they say no don't a mark figure bomb. Hey boy, it's
I'm a revolutionary.
Hey, at the end of the day, at the end of the day.
Ninja man full of lyrics. Can't do
You know my grandma always tell me?
Yeah.
Everybody come and ninja.
I know cop there as one man.
Okay, gentlemen. Wow, what a moment on stage right here. Okay, so Sting coming up now. I hear there'll be no clash at Sting. How you feel about that, Ninja?
You see with this thing now, them call me more than one time, go to the office one time, if I go back, we don't return on now. Reason being, I'm gonna make a man know this. Man a man. No money no more than man. Man a man, and nothing no bigger than man. And the time you can't tell yourself it's a man, is when you stand up as a man. Now I want a promoter know so you know. Me are the artist and me are the show. You are the financer and the promoter. Without me, there is nothing. You only have your money. You understand? Whatever the show come to, during the course of the time when it a promote and it a grow and it a build, it's come from the artist. If we keep up foolishness, the show get a downfall. If we give you a good show performance at all times, the show will rise. Yeah? I sacrifice more than 27 years for Jam World, from stadium to Jam World. You understand?
27 years.
More than 27 years.
For Sting, right?
You understand me? And through all these years, I never see Mr. Len get up and say, all right, one of them here, we're going to give Ninja Man an award. I even pay a tribute to Ninja Man then. First say, we appreciate the things that we do for Sting. The thing is that when we say, you want Bounty Killer this year, you tell Bounty Killer I'm the best DJ. And next year you don't want him again. You're going to tell him, say, no, impress you, him not this, him not that. And you disrespect the artist. And then you wait till 2-3 after, then you call him back. See? You do Beanie Man same way. You do me the same thing. You understand me? And then every time you feel like the artist are going to get up and come to you and just do what you say, when time you go and we cool out, I'm going to tell them this now. This is an artist union. And until Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Cabot and Sizzler and the whole of the man them were in the music fraternity say, yes, we are going to work thing. Me now go to work. But if we are going to work, me are going to tell you this. And me name Sting. And if you don't have Gully back on the show, sorry, you have no credit left. And me not look no friend from nobody.
Gully?
Him, who need I use last year. Him, carry crowd come on the show last year, because I tell the people them say me not coming. So why this year, if him not even act like when he act last year, why not put him back on the show? Because when him have a little dispute, you have more than one artist have dispute, and you still put them back on the show. So why not put the youth aside? You don't love use and refuse too much. Me a real bad man, me no cut up people yard, me no eat out of people bun pan, and me don't need no money, man. I'm man. And I go tell you something, say, me no look a normal man. When me born, my mother knows me I gonna be a man, so she call me Des man. You say me start grow up in life. The woman ugly as a man, them call me ugly man, so this man out there, two that in a one. You see when me busting at the music business, call me Ninja man. 3 man is a stout and me better than Dragon. Me are the original front teeth, gold teeth, danga. Me a man. When you in the chat.
Well, you know, in that song, that would have get some big forward.
I wrote it up.
Serious forward that would have get. Gully, your response to all of what you've just heard here.
Yeah, the right matter, man, because in the promotion thing, the man that try to outsmart the youth, you know? See, they not really boots me up, you know, kind of man can't boots me up. So here we are going. Them just talk, me hear, and me answer, and up. See, this year now, a little dispute go on. Not a little bit dispute. Them go out the ranks. Big ranks. Like the man you have to hold that cake and it comes and if you want to keep it up and give me, I say, no, sir, I don't want that here. You see me? And nah deal with me again. No phone call, although I not look for none, I don't really need none. But you come like say me did sing the song, say, oh, them to drop me. And then I never pick me up. I never them pick me up, you know. A Chin big up Sting last year, Chin. And I mean, Chin.
Okay, sir.
Because when Chin carry me go a ling, Leg frightened and come, so I bet you not tell me leg you that thing. But me check see you dead. Me not talk like dead and my career now go on a real dead and buried. You see? Me check see me dead. All when China tell him say, you can't bust the show, you know. Them still have a doubt.
Well, there's a special edition of Sting being planned, I suspect. From what I understand, this will be like celebrating the kings and queens of Sting. If they're able to get to find peace, bury the hatchet, and do business, real business.
Alright, I'll tell you something.
It has to be business, and all the other things, Ninja, which is what you have done. You have dropped everything and decided that you want unity, and you have achieved it with many artists for the last 30 years. Artists from the last 30 years you have been able to bring together.
Artist friend, we are one.
That is commendable. One thing we always have to give you credit for, Ninja. You're always an entertainer first.
Yeah, man.
And I say this, and I challenge any artist out there about this, that Ninja Man, more than anyone else, is never gone outside of being an entertainer on a stage in front of an audience.
No.
He has never lost his cool to the point where he puts violence and ego before being an artist and an entertainer. And he's been tempted many, many times, and we have all the tapes to look at and do that assessment. And that is essentially when God gives you a talent as an artist, is what he's asking you to do. To respect the people who stand before you and to hold your cool and know why you're on the stage. For no other purpose but to perform. And that is what Sting ought to be about, even if you guys have to do lyrical clashes. It must be remembered always that your first business is to be entertainers for the people who are watching in front of you and those who will see it on TV and online.
I can tell you one thing. War artists want war now. Then nowadays artists them no want no lyrics, they want war.
Yeah,
and then carry them gang come for gang man. I'm gonna tell you something. Me go jail 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 year, 1 year and 6 months, 6 months, and me go down there the other day for 3 years. And me sit down and me look into myself and know, say, and my place this now. This and my place. If you come back there and say, me that be a worthless brother, because when me reach in life, I put them in a jail. You understand? So you say me switch point, me I go put myself in a trouble, me not go that direction there because me not a picnic. Not there in a music when me hungry for. You understand me? So me not walk the road there with them down no stage, but me I go DJ in no competition because there is no protection for you. Me see, me and Cartel never clash. And I out him run out on stage and lick me and my friend them we lick me on face with buckle. Me could have take it to a different level. Because me could have sued the promotion.
Madness, yo.
All these sacrifices me go through, you know, me never
That's
sue
thing
me
of
for them
madness.
take the lick on my face. Me go to court and me have to spend time I go court. All them something there, me never disrespect them yet, me never do nothing. Me work my soul out to make that show be where it be.
Ninja, thank you, sir. Thanks for coming and sharing with us. Gully, blessed love, sir.
190.
When the call is out for Sting to do the right thing,
time.
that's all we'll say right here. Winford
Winford
Williams, on behalf of
Williams.
all of us, thanking you for joining us. Do join us again next week for more.
On stage.